still reach for that cough syrup at the first sign of cough? Hello friends, I'm your homeopathy doctor. And before you do that, let me show you some powerful cough remedies that are already in your kitchen. They are backed by science and they are gentler on your body and much better than those over-the-counter syrups. Number 1 is ginger for dry or wet cough. Ginger is more than just a chai essential. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A study published in the American Journal of Respiratory Cell and Molecular Biology found that ginger compounds help relax airway muscles, easing both dry and wet coughs. Number 2 is honey for dry cough. Honey is a natural demulcent, meaning it soothes irritated throat tissues. A 2012 study found that honey was more effective than dextromethorphan in reducing nighttime cough in children. Number 3 is turmeric and black pepper for wet cough. Turmeric contains curcumin, a strong anti-inflammatory, while black pepper enhances its absorption. Curcumin also has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Most OTC cough syrups contain dextromethorphan hydrobromide or codeine, which are central cough suppressants. That means they don't address the infection, inflammation or mucus. Instead, they just suppress the cough reflex in your brainstem, making it feel like you're better, while the root cause still lingers. The potential risks of OTC cough syrups are drowsiness and dizziness, suppression of productive coughs which can worsen infections, risk of addiction or abuse in codeine-containing syrups, and they're unsafe for young children, especially under the age of 6. Homeopathy works differently. It doesn't suppress your symptoms but stimulates the body's natural healing response. It also is non-suppressive, safe for children and elderly alike, no drowsiness or dependency, and it is tailored to your unique symptoms. So next time that cough shows up, don't rush to suppress it. Support your body instead with what's already in your kitchen and a gentle nudge from homeopathy. Let me know in the comments below what remedy do you swear by for cough relief, and follow for more science-backed natural health tips.